Aloha, YouTube investors. How is everybody doing today? My name is David Yansen. Welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday, February 13th, 2021, the day before Valentine's Day. Don't forget your other half. Don't forget to get them something for Valentine's Day if you have somebody. And please be safe and healthy out there as well, too. But I am showing you this website, trackyourdividends.com, and I'm very excited to share this with you because I have reached a little goal, a miniature milestone, if you will, in my investment journey, and I wanted to share that with you as I kind of have along the whole way since I started this channel in July of last year. I've kind of been showing you my holdings and how things have grown. My first video, I think I was like, woohoo, almost $10,000. I was super excited, and now I have eclipsed $20,000, $21,000, so I'm pretty excited about that. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. That will help in my celebration of this little milestone that I have gotten to in under 2 years of investing. And there is a thumbs up button there for you to like the video as well, too. That will help support the channel and lets me know that you also are happy and celebrating for me. And if you want to leave a comment saying good job, good luck, or something like that, feel free to do so as well. So thank you to everybody. Big mahalo for everybody who has already subscribed, continues to follow my channel, continues to support my channel, like my videos, and share with their family and friends. So I use this website, trackyourdividends.com. It is a free website. I really like it, mainly because it is free. And it's not just free, but it gives you a lot of good stuff for being so free. And so all of my holdings, whether they are free stocks that I got when I signed up with Webull or with Robinhood, I believe I got, who did I get? SiriusXM Radio with Robinhood, and I got GE for free with Webull, and a couple others that I've gotten free with some other Doe Finance and the Public Investing app and SoFi Invest. Just a ton of, not a ton. I haven't gotten a ton of free stocks. I think I've only gotten like 4. But I put all these into this website, including the ones that I've purchased myself. And it is all free. You enter it by ticker symbol. You put in the number of shares that you own. It does allow for you to put fractional shares. The price, and then it shows you the price that it's trading at right now. It shows you the average share price that you bought in at. Apple did a stock split, so it's actually at $97 because of the stock split. And then it tells you your profit loss, dividend yield, yield on cost, and then your annual income if the company pays a dividend. So it doesn't tell you what your annual income is based off of growth because this is trackyourdividends.com, and you don't really know. I mean, you can forecast and you can project, but you don't really know what a company's growth is going to be in several years as far as the stock price is concerned from year to year, but you can track that based on the dividend. So being primarily a dividend investor, I don't have a spreadsheet. If this website ends up not being very good for me, I'm going to be doing a lot of work to enter over 50 holdings into a spreadsheet. But as of right now, it's working good. And I had a video showing you with Costco. Right here, they did a special dividend, and the dividend yield went up because of that special dividend, and it made it look like my annual income from Costco was higher than the $16.89, and it has since adjusted. So Costco released their ex-dividend date and their pay date, and it's back to its normal with not including a special dividend, and so it adjusted with that. So I like that. And the website overall has been really responsive. Like I emailed them about a couple things when they did this new update with this new look and stuff like that, and they emailed me the next day, and everything was fixed right then too, and they said please let us know if we need to make any other adjustments. So I like that about it. For free, usually you have to pay for customer service to get back to you, but not the case here with trackyourdividends.com. So my dividend yield personally right here, and I did start putting everything in here in July of 2020, so I haven't reached the full year yet, but over 2.45%. Yield on cost 2.79%, and then what you're really interested in as a dividend investor is your annual income. So as everything sits right now, I don't remove any holdings, I don't add any holdings. None of my holdings that pay a dividend suspend their dividend or cut their dividend. When it comes July 2021, my dividend payments should have reached $514. But I have already received, or I will continue to receive, And I will continue, or at least the plan is anyway, to continue to invest in other holdings, to expand in some of my core holdings that I have, especially in my Roth IRA. So this number should be higher than this come July 2021. But with trying out this website, I'll be able to add up from all of my brokerages accounts with all the holdings that pay a dividend and see if the annual income number, whatever it is, come July 2020, because I will buy more into these holdings that I have here and potentially add some other companies to the 50-something that I already have right now, this number should go up. And this website actually does show that to you over here when it shows you future value. I click on the name of this portfolio, and after July of 2021, I will start another one for July 2021 going through July 2022 to see, so that I can track a little bit easier. And that's if the website does exactly what it's supposed to. But so far it's been great. So far I really have had no issues. Like I said, I've had to contact customer service. They were very, very helpful. So when you click on the future value part here, which is free to this website too, I don't pay for any of this type of stuff. I don't have a lot of money, like I mentioned in a lot of my videos. So free is the way that I go for the most part. It shows you here that starting 2021, annual payment is $513 and some change, and come to 2030, it is over $1,300. So, and that is with everything sitting the way that it is. Like I said, I don't add, I don't subtract. None of the holdings that I have right now suspend their dividend, cut their dividend, and none of the holdings that I have right now add a dividend. So Electronic Arts, they decided this year for the first time that they were going to pay a dividend. So if that doesn't happen either, this is how everything should fall out. But I do plan on, if I have the money, to keep investing and possibly to keep adding. So all these this ending number for 2030 should change. And then it gives you this nice graph here where you can kind of follow. You click on it, it shows you you're at 25,000 is the portfolio value. That is 2027 if everything stays right here. And then all the way out to 25 years, it will show us what everything should look like in 2045. So my 5-year dividend growth rate over 12.5%. Dividend yield is still the same because this is the portfolio as is. And then you can see my ending annual payment in 2045 is over $14,000. So starting in 2021 with over $500 and annual payment for 2045 over $14,000. So I like this to be able to just take a quick glance and keep myself on track, especially as a dividend investor. So I would encourage you to do something the same. I'm not saying you have to use this website, or you can use another app, you can use another website. Most people create their own not websites, they create their own spreadsheets, which originally is what I was going to do. I was going to open up Google Sheets and I was going to create my own. And then I thought, well, let me see if there is a free app or website that's out there, and that's when I found this. Now at the beginning, my very first video on YouTube, when I was sitting at $10,000 or just about to get to $10,000, the layout and stuff like that wasn't very good. Like it just wasn't very good. So, but now a year later, it looks really, really nice. They've improved on some of the glitches, and my portfolio is still can't believe this, that I did this in under 2 years, over $21,000. So, but the stock market has been good. A lot of my holdings have performed very, very well. I'm going to do a video here on Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Fidelity on how they performed this last week. So stay tuned for that video. But you can scroll through here and you can see by me not even, well, let me click on this here so that you can, so I can just do one scrolling shot here. You can see there's just not a lot of red because a lot of these companies that I invested in, they have just done very, very well for me personally. I'm not really a risk taker. Like I said, I'm in my mid-40s, and so I'm just not really taking a lot of risk, but I do have some risk. I do have some companies. You can see here I have Lyft. I also have Uber in here, and I have a couple other companies. I have an international airline, which for me personally, for my investment strategy, is pretty risky. So, but I am kind of doing the barbell approach to investing, so that's why I do have a little bit of risk. For my strategy anyway, and for how I'm doing things, it's risky. But I'm not really into the huge growth Apple's always going to give you good growth already as it is. Microsoft, I own them. They're going to give you some decent growth as well too. And then I have a little bit of Google and a little bit of Amazon as well. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys. Like the video to say congratulations, or you can just leave a comment saying congratulations on hitting your little goal here. Hopefully by this summer, maybe this will be at $31,000. We'll just kind of have to see how my finances go and how the stock market goes. But continue to follow the channel. Thank you, everybody. Mahalo and aloha.